All right, guys, this is Redline Max, and today we're at the Chicago Auto Show. And as you can see here, it's extremely busy here, but they have quite a few concept cars here we can take a look at, and also the Corvette CX, which is a concept car. So let's take a look at it. But first, so this first one here is the Tesla Robotaxi, and obviously this one here has no steering wheel. You can see a lot of people out here, but this is the Robotaxi. You can see it's got some massive wheels. Obviously the wheel is colored, so take a look at that. And also these suicide doors, very massive. This is the Robotaxi. It's pretty massive in the interior. Again, no steering wheel in this one. Very massive screen though. Let's take a look at that. I like this color, the gold kind of color. Even the rear tires here is pretty massive. So let me know what you guys think about this. This is quite incredible. I mean, we'll see how this will go when people start ordering it and actually riding on this. So this is going to be a very, very interesting time. All right, so the next one here is this Cadillac Celestiq. This thing looks massive and ultra luxurious. You can see how long this thing is, especially over the back. You can see the tail light runs on the side actually. And take a look at the interior. You can see some parts of it. And over to the back of it, this is incredible. I mean, this is luxurious. Again, this is to rival cars like the Bentley and the Rolls Royce. And this looks incredibly nice. And you can see the Cadillac emblem even right on the light section. On the front side, this is just incredible. Again, let me know. This car should be over $200,000, I believe. And this is just incredibly nice. And also, I believe it's electric, so you got the charging port right here. And let's see if we can take a peek of the interior. Take a look at that. Looks minimalistic, but again, it's very ultra luxurious. So this is the Cadillac Celestiq, and let me know what you guys think about this one. So up next, we have this new Wagoneer, and again, this is the updated version. You can see it's got this new light system in the front, and also on the side, it's got this new light, daytime running light, and this looks really nice actually. This is a very massive car. If you've driven this thing, it is very, very massive. But I like it though because it's very balanced. When you drive this thing, it feels very nimble as well. And for the price of this one here is what, $88,000. So quite impressive and also very expensive. All right guys, so this is the brand new SRT TRX with the Bloodshot Night Edition. This thing looks massive. Over 777 horsepower. This thing is just massive. Again, this is the new one, and it's got the supercharged 6.2 liter. Take a look at it. Let's go over to the side of it. You can see this decal here, the Bloodshot Night package edition. And over to the back of it, you can see these Belstein shocks. You can see these Belstein shocks right in there. Again, you could take up and land in this truck, no problem. And take a look at the whole rear of it. And for this one, you can see it's got the TRX with the T-Rex badge right on there. So this is pretty new here. 777 horsepower, supercharged, 6.2 liters. This thing is massive. I like the decal here as well. And over to the interior. Let's see if you can look at the interior. And you can see right here, it's got the SRT TRX, 6.2 liter, 777 horsepower. Pretty massive truck here. So if you like trucks, this is the one to get here. They have the new Tellurides, and these cars look really, really incredible. I love how they look. Again, people say, especially the rear, looks like the Range Rover, but it's more squarish. And you can see the new light system as well. And again, third row seat. And this one has the two-tone interior. Let's see if you can see the front side of it. Let's go over to the front. I want to show you how this looks in the front. Completely changed from the previous models. Pardon me, there are a lot of people here. This is Saturday. But you can see this is a whole new different one compared to the previous one. You got the vertical daytime running light as well as the light system right tucked in there. And a whole new front fascia with the fog lights, and also it's got the sensors down there as well. So really, really incredible. Again, this is the new Kia Telluride. This other one here is the off-road version of it. It's currently off, but this is the off-road version with the off-road tires. And this one here as price, this is an X Pro SX Prestige all-wheel drive. Again, this one here as price is just about $57,000. But again, I like how these new ones look. They look squarish, especially in the front. Very wide as well, actually. And also you can see the tow hooks, 2 of them on front. So really, really incredible. So let me know what you guys think about this ones here, the new Tellurides compared to the older ones. All right, guys, as you know, the Chicago Auto Show highlights some concept cars and also some really, really sporty cars as well. This is the new Corvette.
0 to 60 in 2.3 seconds, crushes the quarter mile in 9.6. Finally, over the Stars and Steel collection, we brought out the E-Ray with an all-wheel drive system powered by an electrified front axle, giving you year-round performance.
Again, she's talking again. This is the brand new Corvette CX concept. It looks mean, wide, and also very, very sporty. This is incredible. Hypercar and just massive. Again, you can see the Corvette, the light system. Again, you can see right there the light system. You can tell this is Corvette. Well, this is just incredible. And on the sides, you can see air dogs right from the front tire all the way to the back side. Huge side panels there and massive wheels. Take a look at this.
Putting out a mind-blowing 2,000 horsepower.
2,000 horsepower.
One at each wheel.
Imagine that.
With torque vectoring for incredible grip and precision control.
Torque vectoring as well. This is just incredible.
Now it puts out 2,000 combined hybrid horsepower, ultra lightweight design, and radical aero package. At its core,
very radical aero package. You can see the front. Very, very massive. You can see how slick it is from the front.
15,000 RPM, the power
front splitters here.
Up front, 3 electric motors, 1 at each wheel, and 1 integrated with the 8-speed dual clutch gearbox. Work together to provide.
So I want to know what you guys think about this. This is just massive.
Downforce and extreme cornering grip. The CXR carries forward Chevrolet's racing DNA and proud lineage of world-beating Corvette race cars.
All right, guys, so take a look at this line of Porsches. These are some wide-body Porsches. This thing looks incredible with this green color. And over to the side here, this is a Sandstorm. Take a look at this thing. This is very wide. And also you can see this rally light. Take a look at that. This thing is very, very low to the ground. And also very wide. If you see from the front, take a look at this thing. And also the rear spoiler, I think is just massive back there. And also you can see this yellow one. These are some nice builds right here. Very wide body Porsches. Take a look at the bottom section. These are very wide. So this yellow one, the Sandstorm color one, and also the green one there, they're just incredibly wide body. And also you can see here, this is the KTM. This is pretty interesting. This would be a really nice, fun car to take on the track. And you can see here, the whole top comes off. You can see the exposed suspension there. Carbon fiber top, and the steering wheel is just really, really small as well. Again, you can take that out. And also the seats with the carbon fiber top. I like it. The whole front comes off. Take a look at the front of the car with the huge diffuser and also recovery hook down there. But what I want to show you is this red LFA. Now that's a classic right there. You don't see these out anymore. This is classic right here. If you own one of these, you never want to sell this. I like this red color as well. Very, very bright. So let's see from the side of it. This is a nice LFA. Lexus LFA. Take a look at this. So again, this is classic here. And you take a look at the exhaust system down there. Really cool. And also, you can see for the background, the KTM. Alright guys, so we know the Dark Horse is already an incredible car and also pretty fast, but they came out with a brand new one, the Dark Horse SE. Now let's take a look at this thing. Now this one here is the Argent Blue, and this looks incredible. the Mustang Dark Horse SE. This is incredible. Again, this comes with a whole new carbon fiber package. Take a look at the front here. Huge carbon fiber package here. And if you look down the bottom section, it's got this huge splitter. Really incredible. Now let's go over to the side. Take a look at the top here actually. You can see this hood. It's got a carbon fiber hood as well. And on the side, you can see how massive this thing is. Very, very wide. Huge air intakes as well. And also for the side, you can see the side panel here for the aerodynamics. And go over to the side. Now this one comes with the carbon fiber wheels. This is incredible. And so carbon ceramic brakes with the teal color on the ceramic brakes. And also the SE has the teal color as well. And take a look at the side. It's got the side splitters again, very, very wide, and carbon fiber mirror cap. This is incredible. Again, this is just really, really nice how this is built. The back also has the carbon fiber wheels. This is just massive. Let's go over to the back of it again. See how wide this thing is. And for the rear, you see this dual exhaust and also the vertical as well. Take a look at that. And also you can see the spoiler there in carbon fiber. Take a look at that. So the Dark Horse has the 5.2 liter supercharged V8 engine and also the 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. Again, everything is completely redone here. It's got advanced MagneRide and also suspension as well. Advanced suspension, and this thing just looks incredible. So let me know what you guys think. This is, I believe, the star of this show actually. They haven't started ordering yet. I think they'll open up ordering in spring. So if you're out there looking for one of these here, you can put in your order once it opens up. All right, guys. So out of all of these cars here, let me know which ones you guys will take, especially the Corvette CX concept. That one looks just futuristic, obviously. This is the 2026 Chicago Auto Show, and again, it never disappoints with their new concept cars and the regular cars that they have here. So let me know what you guys think, which one you guys like. Put down in the comments what you guys think. So again, I want to thank you guys for watching my video, and like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.